how you can make your first $500 net profits with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2024 using Google Ads, Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why Google? In this video, I'm going to talk about Google because Google is one of the big traffic sources where people go to get either educated, right, to find product reviews, to look for information about, I don't know, diabetes, weight loss, financial informations, manifestation, dating, right? They go there to get informed and then make a buying decision. They are already also buyers who just go to Google, type in website, buy the product. Now, you, my friend, as you watch this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can get this kind of results with having the right step-by-step method. So let me show exactly over here. Let me go up before I go to ClickBank. You can find me over here on my Instagram later. You can follow me, DM me, ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing and getting really great results. Now let's jump into ClickBank. Okay, so on ClickBank you can for free promote affiliate products. Now, as you can see over here, this is top offers. Those are weight loss supplements, right? For example, like weight loss coffee. You can see average commission it's 100, let's say 150 US dollars. Now you can do the math. If you want to make $500 per day, how many sales do you really need in order to make $500? If you make only 2 sales, let's say you make $300 in a day, which is not bad, right? $300 a day, it's also 9,000 US dollars in a month, in 30 days, which is yours. What kind of job, 9 to 5, you have to work in order to make $9,000 or $15,000 per month, right? So it's all possible, it's all doable. Now you can see over here, we have manifestation product for $46 payout. You can see 476 people are making money every single week with this offer. So it's doing really well. Now, let's go straight here so you can understand the process and how, once you get this bigger picture, how you can do it for yourself and duplicate the same method to start making $500 per day. You can see over here, I don't know if you ever heard of some guru on YouTube talking about this, but when it comes to affiliate marketing, yes, AI can help, but we are not promoting products or marketing products to robots, right? We are promoting to human beings like me and you watching this video right now. So we have low emotional states and high emotional state audiences. What do I mean by that? Do you see? Let me ask you this question. Would you go on ClickBank right now and watch 45 to 50 minute long video sales letter before you buy a weight loss supplement? Maybe not. If your answer is no, it means you're in a high emotional state. You already have high awareness, right? You already know maybe you need to, in order to lose weight, you have to have a diet or do something, right? Take action as you watch this video, right? But some people, they are in the desperate, low emotional states and they don't want to do anything to lose weight. So they just want to rather take a weight loss supplement pill to help them to lose weight and do no work, right? So that is the difference, okay? And once you understand this, my friend, you will be able to position your Google ads much more better, the keywords much more better, because you understand your audience better. Now, again, you don't have to do or learn this yourself. It can be done for you 100% together with you, okay? Once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you along the journey, along the way. So let me show you exactly how you can do this. You can see over here, right? Let's say if you want to make $500 per day profit, how fast you can make it, how quickly you can do it. If you have a low ticket product for, let's say, $100, and let's say you earn, like on ClickBank, 90% commissions, it means you're earning $90 per sale. So to hit $500 a day, it means you need 5.5 sales per day, which is not a lot, without ever showing your face, without ever being on the camera. Having a mini blog, mini quiz funnel, and running traffic, running ads to that website. And if you ever tried any other course, if you ever tried affiliate marketing and failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because I understand you. I used to be there. I didn't know what I didn't know. I didn't know that you have to have a message to the market match. I didn't know there are low emotional states and high emotional state audiences. I didn't know there are 5 points which you have to pre-sell on your blog or your website on landing page for a person to make a buying decision. I didn't know none of this. Okay, so it's not your fault. I understand how you feel. if you tried before, because I felt the same way. All right. But once I found out exactly how to do it, it become very, very simple, because then you can see, I got my first $500 from Google Ads today. Okay, let's duplicate the same campaign. And maybe the question you have right now, okay, so tell me, how much do I have to spend on Google Ads in order to make $500 in profit? Let's do this together now. Let's say we are promoting over here product that's paying, okay, for the math purpose, $100 per sale, okay? So we need times 5 to make, let's say, $500 a day. Now, how much we have to spend per ads? I would definitely suggest to you, go with at least maybe 25 US dollars per day per one ad campaign, okay? So $25, and the reason why is because you don't want to waste money, okay? I never teach someone to spend a lot of money upfront on the ads. No, it doesn't work like that. We go slow, and let's say if you spend 25 US dollars today or $50 today, and you make back 100 or $150 tomorrow, okay, you know it works. My ad is converting, is doing well. I have the right audience, I have the right ad sets. Let's duplicate it and put more money. Scale slowly, okay? So in order to make $500 per day, in some cases, you can even spend only $100 in a day and make $500 back. It does work. Sometimes you're gonna spend $250 and make $500 back. Not every day is the same, okay? But once you have the ad dialed in the first, let's say, 5 days, 6 days from running ads, and you're making money back, you're breaking even, you have a profit, then maybe second week, you're already making over $600 per day, then you can start slowly scaling, okay? And again, this can be done together with you. You don't have to do it yourself alone, all right? So as you watch this video right now, if you wanna get the results once finally in 2024, if you really wanna make $500 per day or more with clickbank affiliate marketing, I also show you other affiliate networks where you can privately, as a VIP member, promote those offers and have advantage from others, which others can't. Then let me know. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment under the video. You can follow me on my Facebook. I have my Instagram over below in the description under this video. Link to my WhatsApp phone number where you can reach out to me if you really want to get results in 2024 with clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products as an affiliate. All right. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.